For centuries, lost cities existed only in myths, legends, and ancient texts. Historians debated whether they were real or simply exaggerated stories passed down through generations. Then, in some of the most unexpected moments in history, science proved that many of these cities were real, and they were discovered completely by accident, not through planned expeditions or treasure hunts, but by farmers, pilots, construction workers, and scientists who weren't even looking for them. This is a story of lost cities that humanity wasn't supposed to find yet. One of the most shocking accidental discoveries happened in Cambodia. For decades, historians believed that Angkor was the largest pre-industrial city ever built. But in 2012, researchers using laser technology called LiDAR were flying over the jungle, not searching for a lost city, but mapping forest terrain. What they uncovered stunned the world. Beneath the dense jungle canopy were massive city grids, roads, canals, and structures stretching for miles. An entire urban network had been hiding in plain sight. This wasn't just a city. It was a megacity that once supported hundreds of thousands of people. The jungle hadn't destroyed it. It had protected it. Angkor wasn't abandoned suddenly by war or disaster. Instead, scientists believe climate change and water management failures slowly weakened the city. Without LiDAR, this hidden civilization might have remained invisible forever. Thousands of miles away, another accidental discovery took place in Turkey. In 1963, a local man was renovating his house. While knocking down a wall in his basement, he uncovered something strange, a hidden room, then another, and another. Soon, archaeologists were called in. What they found was Derinkuyu, an underground city carved deep into volcanic rock. It wasn't small. It went down over 18 levels and could shelter up to 20,000 people, complete with ventilation shafts, wells, food storage, schools, and even places of worship. This city had been right beneath people's feet for centuries. Scientists still debate why it was built. Some believe it was protection against invasions. Others think it was a refuge during extreme climate conditions. Whatever the reason, Derinkuyu remains one of the most advanced underground cities ever discovered, and was found by accident during a home renovation. In Central America, a similar story unfolded. For generations, the Maya civilization was thought to consist mainly of small cities surrounded by jungle. That belief changed when researchers began using aerial scans in Guatemala. They weren't expecting much. Instead, they discovered over 60,000 hidden structures, pyramids, highways, homes, and defensive walls, all concealed beneath thick rainforest. The scale was enormous. These cities were carefully planned, heavily populated, and connected by massive road systems. This discovery rewrote history books. The Maya were not scattered tribes. They were urban engineers who built complex cities long before modern technology. The jungle once again had hidden the truth until science accidentally peeled it back. Sometimes lost cities are found not from the air, but underwater. In the year 2000, marine scientists studying pollution in India's Gulf of Khambat detected unusual shapes on the ocean floor. At first, they assumed it was a natural formation. Then they took a closer look. What they found were geometric structures, foundations, and stone tools buried beneath the sea, dating back over 9,000 years, that made them older than the Egyptian pyramids in Mesopotamia. If confirmed fully, this discovery would challenge everything we know about early civilization. The city likely sank due to rising sea levels after the last ice age. It wasn't destroyed. It was swallowed by the ocean. And without modern sonar technology, it might never have been noticed at all. In South America, one of the most famous accidental discoveries happened high in the Andes. Machu Picchu was never truly lost to local people, but the outside world had no idea it existed. In 1911, historian Hiram Bingham was searching for a completely different city when local farmers led him to ruins covered in vines and mist. What he saw was breathtaking. Stone temples, terraces, and homes perfectly carved into the mountainside. The city had been abandoned but not destroyed. Earthquakes couldn't shake it. Invasions never reached it. The Inca had designed it with such precision that it blended into the landscape itself. Machu Picchu survived because it was forgotten. Another remarkable discovery occurred in China in 1974. Farmers digging a well near Xi'an struck something hard. Expecting rocks, they instead uncovered fragments of clay statues. Archaeologists recalled, assuming it was a minor site. They were wrong. Beneath the soil lay the terracotta army, thousands of life-size soldiers, horses, and chariots guarding the tomb of China's first emperor. Each face was unique. Each soldier was positioned for battle. The emperor's actual tomb remains sealed to this day, with ancient texts warning of rivers of mercury inside. This wasn't just a burial site. It was an underground city of the afterlife, hidden for over 2,000 years, found by farmers who were just looking for water. In Europe, an accidental discovery revealed a city frozen in time. Pompeii was buried in ash after Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD. Over centuries, it faded into legend. In the 1700s, workers digging for a palace foundation uncovered stone streets, buildings, and preserved human remains. Pompeii wasn't destroyed, it was preserved. Ash sealed the city in a moment of history, capturing daily life in the Roman Empire like a time capsule. Bread in ovens, graffiti on walls, footsteps frozen in stone. Without a random construction project, Pompeii might still be buried today. What makes these discoveries so powerful isn't just their scale, it's what they tell us about humanity. Lost cities remind us that advanced civilizations rose, thrived, and vanished long before modern times. They adapted to their environments, mastered engineering, and built societies as complex as our own. Yet they were vulnerable. Climate change, resource mismanagement, natural disasters, political collapse. The same forces that threaten the modern world once erased entire cities from memory. Today, scientists believe there are many more lost cities still waiting to be found, hidden beneath jungles, deserts, oceans, and even modern cities. Some may never be discovered. Others may appear by accident, when someone digs a well, flies a plane, or knocks down a wall. History isn't finished revealing its secrets. It's just waiting for the next accidental discovery. History has a strange habit of hiding its greatest secrets in places we least expect. Just when scientists believe the map of the ancient world is complete, a discovery happens by accident, forcing everything to be rewritten once again. In this part, the cities we're about to explore were not uncovered by grand expeditions or carefully planned digs. They were revealed by chance observations, new technology, and moments that no one thought would change history. One of the most mysterious accidental discoveries lies deep in the Sahara Desert. For decades, the Sahara was believed to have always been an empty sea of sand. But satellite images taken for climate research revealed something unexpected. Faint outlines of rivers, lakes, and geometric patterns beneath the dunes. Archaeologists followed the clues. What they found were remains of ancient settlements built when the Sahara was green. Stone structures, tools, and evidence of agriculture showed that thousands of people once lived where nothing survives today. Entire communities disappeared as the climate shifted, turning fertile land into desert. These cities weren't destroyed by war. They were erased by time itself. In Italy, another lost city emerged during routine construction. In the 1950s, engineers draining a marsh near Naples uncovered walls, roads, and mosaics buried beneath volcanic soil. The city was Herculaneum, neighbor to Pompeii. Unlike Pompeii, Herculaneum was sealed by fast-moving volcanic material that preserved wooden furniture, doors, and even food. Multi-story buildings stood almost intact. This wasn't just a city. It was a snapshot of Roman life, locked away for nearly 2,000 years and found during an engineering project. In the dense jungles of Honduras, Pilots flying over remote terrain noticed strange, perfectly shaped formations on the forest floor. At first, they dismissed it as natural geography. Later, LiDAR scans told a different story. Beneath the jungle lay an advanced civilization complete with plazas, roads, pyramids, and irrigation systems. Often referred to as the White City, this settlement showed signs of organized urban planning that rivaled other major ancient cultures. The jungle didn't destroy it. Disease, collapse, and abandonment likely did. Without aerial technology, this city may have remained hidden forever. Sometimes, lost cities are discovered by accident, not through science, but through curiosity. In the deserts of Jordan, ancient structures known as desert kites were noticed by pilots during early aviation flights. From the ground, they appeared meaningless. From the sky, they formed massive geometric shapes stretching for miles. These structures led scientists to uncover ancient hunting and settlement areas dating back thousands of years. They revealed large-scale cooperation, planning, and survival strategies previously unknown in early societies. The sky revealed what the ground could not. In Indonesia, one of the most controversial accidental discoveries took place at a hill called Gunung Padang. Originally believed to be a natural formation, deeper studies revealed stone layers arranged with purpose. Some researchers argue parts of the structure may be far older than previously thought, possibly built thousands of years before known civilizations. The site was rediscovered not during an excavation, but during routine geological surveys. While debates continue, Gunung Padang forces scientists to question how much of human history is still misunderstood. In Spain, drought exposed something astonishing. As water levels dropped in a reservoir, stone circles emerged from beneath the surface, an ancient settlement known as the Spanish Stonehenge. It had been submerged for decades after the construction of a dam. Climate conditions accidentally revealed what human development had hidden. The stones showed that entire communities were once displaced and forgotten, only to briefly reappear when nature allowed it. In the Amazon rainforest, researchers believe the soil was too poor to support large civilizations. That assumption collapsed when scientists accidentally discovered terra preta, man-made fertile soil. This led to the discovery of ancient cities connected by roads, canals, and farmland capable of sustaining millions. These cities vanished after European contact, leaving little trace above ground. The forest reclaimed everything. Modern science revealed that the Amazon was once home to complex urban societies, not untouched wilderness. Across the world, accidental discoveries share a common truth. Human civilizations are fragile. They rise, adapt, innovate, and then disappear. Sometimes slowly, sometimes suddenly, often leaving no warning. Lost cities remind us that progress is not permanent. Technology can be forgotten. Knowledge can vanish. Nature always has the final say. Even today, scientists believe thousands of ancient cities remain hidden beneath modern streets, oceans, deserts, and forests. Some may never be found. Others may be uncovered tomorrow by accident, a satellite image, a drought, a construction site, a curious mind. History isn't finished telling its story. We're just beginning to listen.